So the MBA experience for me so far has been great. So it's everything I sort of wished for and more. So the main point is of course flexibility, and then the other aspect would be that it really enlarged the horizons. Actually changes the way you think a little bit.
Just studying at WHU, experiencing life at WHU, even if we are just online students, is really amazing, and being with the professors and the peers has been a great experience.
The work with my peers has been really great so far. I remember that I had peers from Germany, but also peers from the Philippines, peers from Luxembourg, from many countries, many experiences. It has changed my view into the business world.
Somehow it's rare to meet the same kind of people in person that got the same ambition, that are somewhat the same age and the same career steps. And now interacting with them face to face gives you a lot of discussion points, gives you a lot of fruitful conversations, and also a lot to think about. And I think it's creating a great network and friends for life probably.